Hey boys and girls, I hope everyone's having a great Monday. So this week we're going to continue working on our diphthongs. Let's just go and work on our diphthongs that we've learned in the past, and let's just do a quick review on them. Remember, OO has two sounds. The short says like as in book. Long says oo, like as in moon. OI is found in the middle of the word, like coin, and it says the oi sound. OY is found at the end of the word, like as in boy. It also says oi. OU, boys and girls, is found in the middle of the word, and it says ow, like as in shout. OW is found at the end of the word, like as in cow. It also says the ow sound. OW can also be found in the middle of the word, followed by N, L, or ER, as in brown or town or shower. And it also says the ow sound. So boys and girls, we're going to continue working on our diphthongs. We will be working on two more diphthongs this week. This week we'll be working on the diphthong AU and AW. These two diphthongs say the same exact sound. They say aw, like as in, oh, look how cute the puppy is, boys and girls. But just be careful about their placements, boys and girls. Okay, let's do this together. Please put the listening ears on first. Mrs. Spiza will say it, then you repeat. Ready? Here we go. Name of the pattern is AU. Sound is aw. Found middle of the word, as in sauce. Very good job, boys and girls. Here you go. You do it now. Ready? Name the pattern is? Good. Sound. Found, as in. Awesome job, boys and girls. AW, boys and girls, has the same sound, but the placement's a little different, meaning where it's found. Listening ears on. Name of the pattern is AW. Sound is aw. Found in the middle of the word, followed by N or L. Just be careful here, boys and girls. We did do one very similar, but this one, AW, is only found in the middle of the word, followed by N or L, as in lawn. Okay, your turn. Here we go, boys and girls. Name of the pattern. Good. Sound. Excellent. Found. Awesome. Middle of the word followed by N or L. As in, good, lawn. Finally, same pattern, AW. It's also saying the aw sound. It's found at the end of the word, as in saw. Ready? Here you go. Name the pattern. Good. Sound. Awesome job. Found. End of the word, as in saw. So boys and girls, this week you will be working on the diphthong AU and AW. Have a great day.